Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Cookin' Recipes. I'm Chef Brian, and today we're going to make Big Game Grilled Pineapple Salsa. Heat the grill over high heat. Roast the poblano peppers until the skin is charred and placed in a bowl. Cover with saran wrap and set aside to cool. Place the pineapple slices on the grill and cook until lightly charred on both sides, about 2 to 4 minutes per side. Remove the pineapple from the grill and let cool. Remove the skins and seeds of the poblano pepper, dice into small pieces and add to a large bowl. Chop up the pineapple slices and add to the bowl, along with the tomatoes, red onion, garlic, jalapeno pepper, cilantro, salt, lime juice, and green Tabasco. Mix well. Serve with your favorite tortilla chips. This is a great appetizer to share with family and friends during the games. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.